This is CNBC's live blog covering Asia-Pacific markets. Asia-Pacific markets mostly fell as of Japan's corporate inflation climbed in March and rate decisions are assessed from New Zealand and Thailand's central banks. South Korea's markets are closed Wednesday, as the country heads to the polls to elect its next parliament. Japan's corporate inflation rate came in at 0.8% for March, its third straight month of increase and in line with expectations from a Reuters poll of economists, while investors also brace for the U.S. Consumer Price Index report later Wednesday. Separately, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand held its benchmark interest rates at 5.5%, saying that a restrictive monetary policy stance remains necessary to further reduce capacity pressures and inflation. Japan's Nikkei 225 slipped 0.27%, while the broad-based Topix was down 0.17%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index climbed 1.32%, while mainland China's CSI 300 was down 0.38%. In Australia, the S&P/ASX 200 is on pace for a third straight day of gains, climbing 0.52%. Overnight in the U.S., the three major indexes ended mixed ahead of the CPI report, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average closing just below the flatline. On the other hand, the S&P 500 notched a gain of 0.14%, while the Nasdaq Composite added 0.32%. CNBC's Hakyung Kim and Brian Evans contributed to this report. New Zealand's central bank has held its benchmark interest rate steady at 5.5%, in line with expectations from economists polled by Reuters. The Reserve Bank of New Zealand said that a restrictive monetary policy stance remains necessary to further reduce capacity pressures and inflation, noting that current consumer price inflation remains above its 1% to 3% target range. However, the bank also expressed confidence that despite near-term price pressures, holding rates at a restrictive level for a sustained period will return inflation to its target range this year. Chinese internet technology giant NetEase has teamed up with Microsoft to bring back games by Blizzard Entertainment to the world's second-largest economy. The move comes after the partnership between the two companies was terminated in 2023 by Blizzard, citing disagreement over intellectual property control. The press release states that the renewed publishing agreement will encompass games Chinese players had access to under the previous agreement, including World of Warcraft and Overwatch. Separately, Microsoft and NetEase have also entered into an agreement to explore bringing new NetEase titles to Xbox consoles and other platforms. Spot gold prices hit fresh highs, reaching a record $2,352.57 per ounce on Tuesday and an intraday high of $2,365.09. Gold prices have set new highs for 3 straight days, according to data from LSEG. Reuters reported the rise was fueled by central bank purchases and geopolitical tensions, with China's central bank notably adding 160,000 troy ounces of gold to its reserves in March.